test drive on this 1972 Plymouth Road Runner. This car is immaculate. I've been driving it on the highway, doing videos and stuff. This is all original, paint's original, everything on this car is original. It has the original tires repop on it, but as they came out of the factory, it has the era looking tires on it. It has originally 28,745 miles on it. Runs good, sounds good, the heater works, all the gauges work on this thing. It's just like going back in time. Good in gear, goes in good gear. The brakes are great, the power steering's great, it's just good. I'm looking at the gauges, it's running perfectly on temperature, it's charging, oil pressure is a little high, that's good. We've been driving it for about 30 minutes and it's got good oil pressure still. It's a 340, 727 transmission. Everything on this thing is original. He just sent the carburetor off to Georgia to have it rebuilt at some Chrysler dealership that specializes in making sure it's done right by the factory. We have paperwork on that. He has the build sheets for it, the window sticker, everything on this car, man. This thing is a time capsule. It rides and drives great. You can check it out on our website, theraceshop.com. There'll be a drive video of this. There'll be aerial pictures of it, underneath pics of it. We're in Eldon, Mo. Give us a call at 573-693-7223. And most of the time, I'm the one that's going to answer the phone. I'll tell you all about it. It runs and drives great. This guy that owns this car is a collector of Mopars, and this was one of his babies. And he's just kind of reducing down a little bit, and it's time to go. We got it listed at $47,500 with a little bit of wiggle room, but not much. This is a very nice car. Everything about this car, we ran it through the inspection. Everything on this car is good to go. The only thing I can see wrong with this car, driving it for the last 30 minutes, is the speedometer is about 10 miles an hour fast. Other than that, everything on this car is just the way it is from the factory. We're right in central Missouri, right smack dab in the middle of it, and you can give us a call, 573-693-7223. Peace out.